All right, I'm back. We're installing a little gadoosh, little douche nozzle. Yeah, installing a little douche nozzle, huh? You joik, you fraggin' joik. Okay, so they forgot to have me do it yesterday, so it's all good. I've been thinking about getting one of these myself, because your boy, he taking them dookie rolls, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm just trying to be funny. It's probably pretty obnoxious. Alright, so you ever seen those videos on Facebook where you can tell it's Chinese folks and they show you how to install these bidets? I think I've seen one or two of those. I'm pretty sure I can figure this out. Okay. So we disconnected that. And you take this, which it looks like maybe that goes in there, probably. Yeah. That looks about right. Probably like that, right? Where does it go? No, it probably goes. We'll see how it's beveled. Probably goes like that, though, because that's how slip joint washers, or not slip joint, but that's typically how those go. Alright, so just put that up. Whoops. Alright. Basically, this goes right like that. Okay. Now, connect this to that. Nothing but quality here. China. That's where this is made. China. It's because it came from China. That's why we call it that. China. Nothing but quality here. Alright. Insert the rubber non-slip mats to the bottom of the bidet. Where are those? Oh. Right here. Take the seat off. And you line those up. I guess it sprays out of those right there. These little things. Seems kind of cheesy, I don't know. So it goes on top of this, but when you set this down, it's not flush. So you're putting a lot of pressure on this plastic right here. Seems kind of cheap. All right. No leaks. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, I gotta admit. Huh. And I guess these are maybe put on there. Not sure. There you go. There you go. Veckin. The Veckin bidet. That's it. It's from China. All right, folks. Have a good one.